Welcome to this video of this new year. This is the first one for this one, and I'm gonna be making some mixed meat dish with mixed meat, as I would like to call it. So let's just start. First of all, take 500 grams of pork chops, but make sure they're diced like this, and you wanna fry them for on high heat to like pick up a slightly brown color. After it has been fried, transfer it into a dish or a pan directly, and then you wanna fry 300 grams of diced chicken breasts, also slightly fried. But I actually kinda messed up my video footage, so you have to bear with me. And where I messed up was when I added the mushrooms, which you need about 150 grams of fresh mushrooms diced into thin slices, and you wanna fry them for a bit. After that, add 2 boiled eggs diced into small chunks, and then you wanna add them inside the mushrooms. Also, you wanna add baked bread. Like very small squares are baked into the oven for a while, and then you wanna also add them inside the mushrooms and the eggs, and also some parsley, just for the aroma. And then you wanna fry them for a little while and then mix them all together. After that, transfer it into a baking pan that's made out of ceramic, like I have with this one, and transfer it alongside the pork and the chicken and this entire mixture. Mix it together. Also, what you want to add is like white wine as much as you can. Make sure it's not too much and not too little as well, just so you can cover the meat and the mushroom mixture. Also add oil. You can use cooking oil or olive oil, that's on you, and season it with salt, pepper, mixed vegetable seasoning, all of the usual stuff. And on top, actually sprinkle some grated cheese, cheddar if you prefer, which is what I used. Make sure you cover the top part and bake it. To bake it, you need to put it inside of a preheated oven at about 220 degrees for about 1 hour, an hour and a half if you want to. And that's about it, which is a simple dish with 2 different types of meat. And that's about it. It actually tastes very nice, so enjoy.